94.3
This is Good Morning Mumbai with Rishi K.
Radio 1.
Hello, peoples.
Namaste.
Namaste.
I would just like to present
Namaste, Parel.
Namaste.
Since you're having such a
Namaste,
wonderful on this one
Mumbai.
stretch.
Namaste, India. Namaste, anybody.
The Arjun Kapoor wit is on a roll. Brother, I believe you saw Namaste London with Katrina back in the day. Was
Yeah,
this a
and,
screening? Were you like a
yeah.
premiere? What is it?
I saw Namaste London eons back when it came out, and she took me along to watch it. And I came out and I was thoroughly impressed with her and the film, and just how simple and how unique it was for that time. You know, in a world which actually kind of relevant today also, if you look at it in our lives also, in a world where everything is full of chaos, madness, panic, Dindora Pitna, the simplicity of a man and a woman relationship being discovered over a course of one being right in her own way and one being right in his own way. So if you look at Namaste England and London, the similarity for me is actually that sab apni jagah sahi hai. But kai baar the choices you make or the way you go about it is where you kind of go wrong. So Namaste London really worked for me, as Katrina's character was not wrong to think that she might not be able to survive this man and this world, because that is a true reality. And the conviction of that man saying, boss, she has got this wrong. She's generalizing it. I am not general. I am unique, and I will convince her about. And that is what life is. In our film, what I love, and I think I chose to do it primarily for that reason, is here.
It's me, basically me.
That's despite, but no, but I chose to work on this film because I felt that most films get over when you get married. Everything is a quest for marriage. A relationship film in India, a romantic film in India is all about मैं तुमसे शादी करना चाहता हूँ, and not in a bad way. Even a two-stage or half girlfriend, they're all mostly about wanting to be together. Here, it's not the happily ever after that you crave. Life happens, and not in a dramatic, overt, loud, no Dindora Pitna wala way, the way I was saying. It just simply becomes about different wants and desires from life in a relationship. And that's what the first one was. And I think in a way, the franchise, the simplicity is what makes it unique.
We just saw pictures of all three of us back in the day.
Oh,
How much have you changed since that picture?
my hair color's changed.
No. I mean, like, like a person.
Yeah. I think somebody else should tell me that instead of me having my own version of what I think I was at that
Wonderful.
time.
You give me an inch, I'll park a car. How much has Arjun changed since then? Arjun, how much has changed?
I'll have
Oh.
to praise her then. It'll just it's tedious. It's a saga, as Bebo would say. It's a biggish.
No, because some people regress with time, some people get wiser with time.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
what do you think?
I found Arjun wise from day one, literally, and I say this to him all the time, and I find him really wise. That is, he knows this world very well. He knows people. He's gone through a lot in his life, which has really made him a man, genuinely a guy who is experienced in his life. So I find him very wise. He was just a little more rigid and aloof back in the day. He's much more open to people, understanding, friendlier, happier today, but I still find that base pulse of him to be absolutely the same. Nothing has changed.
Till he
about him.
pushes you from behind for a boomerang.
Yeah,
Of
it's
which I have
really,
seen many
I've
takes.
been mistreated, Rishi. I really want to tell you, I've been mistreated,
Oh my God.
mishandled, manhandled by this
No,
man.
The only co-actor I can take for granted in the nicest way possible. It would be wrong of me to articulate it any other way.
Brother, don't get defensive. It's okay.
I take undue advantage of her niceness and her love for me because I know she knows it comes from a right place. So I take undue advantage of it. Whatever I do, there's no malice, or I don't mean a word of the nonsense I say, and I know I torture her because she can handle it. But I'd overdo it also because I do it selfishly because it makes me also happy when I see her laughing at nonsensical jokes. I feel happy when people laugh at my jokes. So it's a win-win for both of us. I think a lot has changed for both of us, but more importantly for her, she's somebody who came from outside. It's an outside-in kind of situation. She was somebody who started out by doing a film where she was one of the characters that was part of it, and to get that kind of resounding success and stamp of approval, and then to follow it up with Ishaq Zadeh, it's very easy to lose yourself in that because that's the expectation, that's the cliche.
Yeah.
If you see any film where you see overnight success and stardom, from being a bit part player in a film and winning people's hearts, and then being the main protagonist and winning hearts, you are supposed to lose the plot. I mean, 9 times out of 10.
But she hasn't.
But she didn't. She's the exception to that situation, and she's handled her career and herself with the same simplicity from the first day. And she's a pretty simple person. Like, that's the one thing I'm happy she's not changed. we've all had people change around.
She's still Ambala girl. Via Manchester, via Mumbai.
I think more than that, she's still the person that she is.
Lovely.
Like, there is no, obviously we all have had our ups and downs and highs and lows and goods and bads. I think that is life, but at the end of the day, at a very basic level, if I can dig through a day, I can find enough honest moments in a person like her. And that is the toughest thing to be, is to remain honest in this profession, because you become a caricature, you become gimmicky, you become me too, you want to be known, you want to be noticed, you want to do things. To hold on to yourself is a rare trait.
She's almost embarrassed by her success. I remember I was recording with her somewhere in Andheri and I saw this lovely car and she goes, no, I said, congratulations. No, it's calm. It's really sweet.
Yeah.
Now, we're going to talk about Bhare Bazaar and Tere Liye, but that proper Patola, which is this gangster song. I remember seeing Diljit in the video and saying, man, this is Jay-Z and this is, Eminem and all those guys with the sleek ones. Yeah, and Badshah in it.
All
How
credit
cool
to
is
him.
that? Come on.
All
Is it
the
your
credit
idea?
to this man over here, because he really made it happen. Genuinely, we knew that we wanted like a song, a cool song which goes with our film, which goes with the flavor of our film, and yet we as actors were selfishly wanting to do a video, and we would joke about it with Vipul sir saying we want to do a typical music video, we're doing a commercial film, etc. But he and Vipul sir and Badshah really made it happen. They brought like a great song, they've done a great twist to it, and we've managed to make a decent video. So yeah, I'm excited.
A fun accident. It was in a conversation where I was talking to Badshah and we were trying to crack Bhare Bazaar actually. So Bhare Bazaar also happened like in an accident. He came home one day to hang with me and we started hearing Rishi Rich's old album, just saying, us time Nachna Tere Naal and all.
Oh my God. That
And
was
then-
wicked, man.
Yeah, and-
Juggy D.
Yeah.
Rishi Rich.
But
Yeah,
Bhare Bazaar
yeah.
is originally a Rishi Rich song.
Yeah, of course.
So even Rishi didn't remember he had done the song. So when we called Rishi, we said, "What's up with the?" Let me get back to you. So he also.
He was like, "Let me check."
Yeah, he was like, "मैं पता करता हूँ यार ये गाना मैंने किया था." So in all that was that accident. But in the interim, we had also discussed, that day only. I was like, यार पाजी वो गाना पता कैसे होना चाहिए? जैसे उस टाइम पे ना proper पटोला था. It was a path-breaking song. It was a cool song, but yet it wasn't trying. It wasn't wannabe.
Yeah.
That groove, And today new sounds work. And he said, "पाजी ये तो correct गाना है." I said, "पर मैं तो कब से बोल रहा हूँ correct गाना है." He said, "नहीं वो proper पटोला ही correct गाना है." तो I said, "तू करेगा proper पटोला?" I said, "मैं दिलजीत पाजी से बात करता हूँ, करते हैं कुछ, हो जाएगा, ट्राई तो करे." He said, "पर वो आपके सिचुएशन में फिट आए नहीं आए मुझे पता नहीं, because Bhare Bazaar is situational." I said, "तू बना." And then I told Vipul sir, and Vipul sir said, "अच्छा बनता है तो देखते हैं, एक scratch बनवाते हैं." Because the nice part is Vipul sir is open to everything. He never said, no, मेरी film में situation नहीं मैंने. He said, "हाँ बनाओ." जब हमने सुना ना, we felt यार this film has everything, so why not put a cherry on the cake and just give you that celebration of contemporary cool Bollywood music. And Patola is that. It's just a fun song. It's just, there's an attitude to it, and that attitude comes from the artist. So full credit to Badshah and Diljit for
And because Bhare Bazaar has Badshah and it has Rishi Rich. Rishi Rich was here because he's done a song with the Jal guy.
Huh.
And I said, man, Mubaraka. And he said, it really blew up, didn't it? Mubaraka. It was so cool. And, the stuff that Arjun and the gang did in the video. You do a better Rishi Rich accent than I do. But the gist of it
I do
is...
a better Rishi Rich accent than Rishi does. No, I was talking about Rishi.
Yeah, you're talking about me. Either way. So coming as it does after that, it's fantastic that you would have,
honestly,
it's obviously pure coincidence.
For me, Patola is a very, very sweet action and I'm really happy about it. Bhare Bazaar is very intentional because I think Bhare Bazaar is... मुझे हमेशा ख्वाहिश थी कि ये फिल्म एक छिछोरा गाना हो because it's such a classical score. If you look at the artists, there's Atif, there's Rahat, Shahid Maliya sung a song.
It's all traditional.
It's very and it's quintessential Namaste London's baggage of good music. I just felt that the party song or the club song had to have it had to have a jhatka to it. You need to tap your feet and bob your head to it. Bhare Bazaar is that song, and we just got lucky. We just got a song that Badshah just
nailed it.
And then the way Vishal has sung it, he's just hit it out of the park.
How's the scuba diving going?
Yeah!
I see these
gonna get him also to
hot
scuba dive.
pictures with speedo gear,
I did
getting
some
out of the water.
crazy
and
diving this time.
Maldives and Australia. Brother, you and me are not living the life.
I'm trying.
not
I'm
living the
telling
life
you
for
for the
sure, but-
longest time. He has to fix
Yeah.
all his issues and then come.
No, but say, the scuba diving.
I've been diving like crazy. I went like right now, like a month ago. Not even a month ago. 3 weeks ago, I was in the Maldives again, diving. Did some insane stuff. I'm now a nitrox diver.
What does that mean? What level is that? Like a karate black
That's,
belt?
I think, the highest you can go. Like, I can be an instructor after this. Like,
She's a
it's
night rock
amazing.
diver, I'm a night lover.
You mean Bappida's night lovers? But we digress.
I dive into your heart. Babe.
So what happens when you in there? You know, so many thousand feet under.
I at the risk of sounding filmy, what Katrina said in Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, that it's like meditation. I genuinely feel like that. I'm not a sporty person at all. So scuba diving is the like only sport in my life, and it genuinely calms me down. I feel it keeps me happy. I feel it's my form of yoga. I feel it gives me peace, calm. Tum jis din karoge baba, you'll be addicted to it.
Well, Baba, what is happening with you is FC Pune and La Liga. What is it, Valencia?
What does the fish say when she dives?
What did the fish say when she dives?
Oh God, I'm
What?
scared of.
Bhare bazaar baby kale na jana, nahi to show mat jayega.
Oh no.
Brother, I really thought when I met you the first time around that you were brooding serious types.
Yeah, this
I
everybody
was
thinks.
so bloody wrong.
I'm as brooding as the people around me
Spent
make me.
30 minutes with him today. Imagine my last 1 year.
I just shot for FC Pune City.
Yeah, man,
Nights and all
Pune
that
City
stuff.
and La Liga, right? You were
La
at
Liga,
Valencia.
yeah, I've been chosen to be the face of La Liga in India, the brand ambassador, and that's something that I find. These are things that you tick mark on your, when you look back at your career. These are kind of things that happen only if you organically have an emotion towards something. And football's been a passion, and now I get to travel because of it. And Spain as a country is just been on my bucket list. So Sone Pe Suhaga is truly watching football in Spain and being invited by the clubs to watch and the league to watch.
That's your diving.
Yeah, that's your
That's your
diving.
diving, bro.
Truly, and I kid you not, and I say this all the time to myself, when there's football on TV, I can switch off. Like if I switch on the TV, I can switch off. Because I'm anyways a night person and the matches are all in the evening. That for me is so soothing. It's something that's mine, it's not something that came to me because 20 people told me to do it or 30 people made me do it. I started watching and loving football when I was 15 years old, before it was available to watch all the time. I started following it through the internet by going on www. and going on the BSNL ting, 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 that sound to just check the score. Like in 2002, 2003. So for me, it's mine. And I hold on to it like how she's saying diving for me, I guess.
It's an idea for a show. Why did I get you to do cars? It's a different thing. We can't afford you anymore, Arjun Kapoor. But I'm the only married person in this room, so I speak from complete experience. What happens is that in any marriage, you
Tell us your
understand.
troubles.
No,
Talk to
I'm
me,
in a
talk
very
to me.
happy space, but I'm just saying space is something that is very important. Is this film talking about that? Is this film talking about space in a marriage and wanting to do things individually to grow and therein growing as a couple?
Actually, it's a very beautiful relationship that these two guys have. It's the kind of relationship I would want from my husband and me, that there is a guy and a girl who have grown up in a traditional, absolutely traditional, conventional setting, and this girl has dreams, and the husband is very supportive of that. The husband says, I want you to do what you want, and he does everything that he can to help her out. And then of course what happens in the film and what happens in the story. So I feel there is that beautiful thing of giving space. He actually, despite going through so many troubles in the film, allows her to do what she wants to do, allows her to experience life, allows her to go through failures, successes, whatever she goes through in the film. And he's like the perfect husband in the film, so I feel, it's a very modern couple in a very traditional setting.
Beautiful. So Vipul Shah is Gujarati, and here he is surrounded by you Punjabi peoples. Or has he become so Panju, working with so many Panjus over the sands of
I
time?
think it's more of that than us.
Yeah, I think
Yeah?
It's more his unke ateet mein Punjabiyat hai.
unke
but-
karma mein.
No, but how well does he understand the Punjab? I mean, you guys, even though you've lived in Bombay and
Better
she's,
than me for sure.
but it's a part of your culture, dude. I mean, this is how you guys
Yeah,
grew
but
up.
see, you have to understand, I might be a Punjabi, but I've grown up in Mumbai city. Mumbai city.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm more of Mumbaikar than a genuine Punjabi, and that's not a bad thing or a good thing. It's just fact.
Sorry.
I can go in Punjab and feel a sense of belonging. Like when I was shooting, that did feel like I belonged. You don't feel out of place because culturally it's embedded in your household.
Brother, you've been here with your chachu, and the Punjabi in you has come out, and
Yeah, that's what.
he brings it out.
But Vipul sir has actually gone and I think shot quite every film almost there he shot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
London
So he
Bridge,
obviously has an affinity
Yeah,
to
and he
Punjab.
gets
the
the
people-
culture.
I think he connects with India and middle class India or the traditional India very well. He understands the color of our culture. He understands our religions. He understands our festivals very well, and he likes to portray them in his films very well. Like the first 5 pages in our script are full of festivals and color and celebration and all, and it's beautiful. So I think it's more than the Punjabi culture. So that's why him being Guju or us being Punjabi didn't really matter. It was we're like, how should we show and celebrate India? That I think comes across in film stronger than the Punjab thing.
But it
And in
also
any case,
had
thanks to Yash Ji, God bless his soul. Thanks to Karan's dad. No, Punjabi culture is Indian culture in a way.
Yeah,
in terms
yeah.
of the movies that we've all grown up with.
It's
Sorry, you were saying something, Arjun. You were saying something.
No, I was saying there's also one more very important thing that we have to hide Pariniti Chopra through festivals. So
What?
it's very easy for us to do
Very
that.
irritating, man. Why do you ask him questions? Don't
Cuts
ask.
to-
Inka mic band kar do.
Come on, tell us about Nick Jonas, man. I'm a
Oh,
huge fan.
gosh.
You know, I used to listen to the Jonas Brothers when they first
Oh,
came
really?
out. You know, I had a CD and all
Yeah,
the Jonas
yeah, yeah.
Brothers.
Of course.
And he's now family, man.
Dude,
अब ये-
yeah, he is.
I got another one. पर अब ये बात ही जोनिस हो गई.
Again, you've come up with two today. He's doing this since morning.
So, what kind of a guy is he?
It's very weird. I was telling Nick, I said more than you and more than Mimi Didi, I'm excited that I'm now Sansa Stark's family. Like I'm so excited that she's in my family now because I'm a huge fan of hers. And he was laughing. He was like, "Yeah, it feels so weird. I've never been a starstruck person. Also, when you become an actor, that starstruck value factor goes out of it. But when I meet Nick or when I see that side of the world, I really feel like, wow, I can't believe that we're going to be married into this family and this family is going to be like, I can't imagine I'm Nick Jonas's sister-in-law. It feels very weird. But obviously now I know him on a personal level. I really feel he's the absolute right guy for her. She's just full of energy. She's like, you know how she's expressive and loud and loving and whatever. And he's like a really quiet, very like anchored guy. So he really brings out the best in her and I really feel they both are so good together. So I'm looking forward to the wedding actually.
I love the two of you simply because, you know, you can have 15 million followers and he can have his millions of followers. But then when you meet a Matthew McConaughey or when you meet a Salma Hayek or when he meets a football star,
Yeah.
you know, the kid in you just comes out.
Yeah.
You know, and that is so beautiful.
Yeah,
you know?
of
And then you
course.
understand what your fans go through when they meet you.
I mean,
Yeah,
And
yeah,
they love-
100%. Now I understand it.
So Matthew McConaughey and Salma Hayek. how's
He's my
that
bro,
one?
yeah.
He's a
I'm
bro.
close to him. Salma and me, we go back a long
And
way.
Cherry Chev, yeah, yo.
मैं बनना चाहता हूँ सलमा का बलमा.
Baba, nahi. You have to stop.
Oh
So
my
Marcy,
God.
it's classy.
No, but during Gunde, this is what happened. The interview didn't happen together with the Babas. No, so Mugdha Chimbuk was very intelligent. She said, इन दोनों के साथ मत करो.
नहीं हो
उनको
पाएगा.
अलग-अलग रूम में डाल के
We
करा
never
दिया.
did an interview together.
Through
We
Gunde.
were not allowed to see.
So,
Because, see, at that point in time, you had to speak about films.
कुछ काम की बात करो.
हाँ, मतलब कितना बोलोगे?
नहीं हो पाएगा. But this is the most disciplined both of us also have been today.
Today, yeah.
He has respected me a lot in this interview. This
I
please
only
send me
yawned
this
3-4
video.
times.
I'll watch
While she
this
was
video
talking.
on loop because this is the most Arjun Kapoor has
This is
respected
one
me
of
and
the better
heard me out.
performances.
He's very annoying.
Vipul's wife, Shefali ma'am, is so awesome, dude.
Listen,
I've been seeing
I love
pictures of you guys hanging with her and this and that. So,
I love.
is she in the film? She's not in the film.
No, but I was upset about that in retrospect.
Yeah.
I feel Vipul sir should have done a.
I thought
Vipul sir
said it
should have
also.
done at least a cameo, like a walking part where she comes and just judges us and walks away while we're doing nonsense. Like
Maybe she makes a face at you and goes. That would be a good scene.
her faces of concern that how are you surviving this one?
Just keep quiet. Shivali ma'am and I like got along like a house on fire. She's the most
Yeah,
hilarious
I mean, I've been seeing
person.
pictures of the two
And
of you.
can I please tell you, I love Vipul sir and Shefali ma'am's relationship. They are so cool. You know, you were talking about Vipul sir
But
being this
they're
Gujarati
actually
guy.
Param and Jasmeet.
Are they?
Like the dynamic is that he
She's
gets
a
her.
child and he gets her.
He gets her, so he knows how to be with her, like
Handle
when to
her,
be
na?
a child with her, when to be serious with her, when to
It's
listen,
beautiful
when
to
keep
see them
quiet.
together. Vipul sir actually is a very cool guy.
Yeah.
You know, he before I met him, I thought he would be the senior veteran director whom I will have to, absolutely like respect in a traditional way, But Vipul sir and I are like we are all like the same. He's so cool. He's so modern in his thought. He's gone through some amazing things in his life, and he said, he gets Shefali ma'am. Shefali ma'am is an absolute child sometimes with him. So he actually really understands the relationship of you're right, that's what he's brought out in Param and Jasmeet actually, of how the husband gets the girl and how the relationship should be.
I love the fact that there's going to be 3 movies now, right? So Habib was here last week because he's doing a web series.
Yeah.
And I was speaking to Habib, and I go, from Habib, you've gone to Vipul, and now you've gone to Dibakar. So these are all 3 diametric opposite personalities for you
Yeah.
guys to exchange notes on.
Yeah.
That must be exciting. Arjun Kapoor.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
definitely.
yeah.
For every actor, it's you want to discover what you're capable of through somebody else's vision. So it's great to see that Vipul Shah can cast both the same actors that a Dibakar Banerjee was dying to also cast in a Sandeep or Pinky Farrar, because that means somewhere Ishaq Zadeh did that job where you can get the quintessential simple Bollywood filmmaker like Vipul Shah to get excited about this pairing and get the upcoming textured different sort of culture of Dibakar Banerjee excited about how can I twist the convention around, and that's what an actor craves for. The notes now to share, we'll have to come back another time with another long list of anecdotes because honestly Habib sir, for me he'll always be a teacher, a hard taskmaster, but I think I wouldn't be here and I wouldn't be so sane if I didn't go insane at that point in time.
Wow.
Because he kind of pushed me. He pushed me to be more than just a referenced performer. He brought me out of my sort of immature-ish world of Hindi film viewing acting. You know, एक होता है कि आप acting देख के acting करते हैं, एक होता है कि आप समझ के परख के पेपर के in between को जान के कुछ करते हो और वो acting बनती है. That was what Habib sir was. I think Dibakar is a mad genius, man. I mean, at the end of the day, there is a madness to him. There is a nature that he has that nobody. He's unique. He will push you to limits and he'll nurture you as an actor. He has all the time in the world for the acting.
Yeah.
He will go to any extent. He says it himself. He says, I will be selfish with you for my film. And that is why we have come together, because this film is what we are here to make. And he puts his cards on the table on the first beat. So you can then not hold anything against the man who said it. Dekh bhai, maine to bola tha. Now if somebody is coming to you and saying, boss, this is what I'm going to do. This is my
now
number.
Don't be surprised.
This is my number. Give me a shout out if you're interested. But karunga main yahi.
Yeah,
It's
there
like,
are no
the
surprises.
difference between boarding school kids and the private school kids.
Very
who
interesting
come from
analogy.
home.
And then to
It's
meet
exactly like that.
Vipul
So
sir-
being Habib sir, Dibakar's actors, the discipline and the way you approach a film
And with
is
Vipul sir,
insane.
sometimes he used to treat us like we are school children because it is also the nature of the film, you know.
Yeah, of
Like I
course.
think even a Vipul sir directing us in a Sandeep or Pinky Farrar would kind of change the way he approaches us, because you need a bit of ferociousness for that material. Because Sandeep or Pinky is a much darker subject. This one is a much lighter, simpler, more rooted Desi film in that sense. Every director has its own.
You love the UK, I know. I've had these fleeting conversations with you, but never dived into it. And here you filming in the UK. So what you did London, Brussels, where else?
We actually, we started in Paris for a day, Brussels a day. It was very, very small schedule, and then we shot mostly in London and Southampton. So it was, for
Southampton
me, it was
is India. Is
Southampton is India. It
West
is-
London, Croydon,
But we were
Southampton.
shooting only on the ocean.
No, I'm just saying that.
Is it? No, Southampton
no,
has
Southampton is by the sea,
that's
South
Southall.
Sea.
Yeah,
Southall, sorry.
Southall,
So
yeah.
Southall, Croydon
में
and
तो कोई नहीं
Harrow.
देखा था मुझे, मैं तो गया था.
तुम क्योंकि सीधा डॉक्स पे गए थे.
Southampton is where India plays cricket, by the way.
He's confusing South.
Yeah,
But the
it's my
dogs-
bad.
as
My
in the-
bad.
yeah.
My bad.
A lot of
I thought she said
Bradford,
Southall.
Leicester, Southall is,
like Birmingham
India.
has got the
Birmingham.
Birmingham has got a lot.
Birmingham, where Apache Indian is from.
That is true.
Yeah, so tell me the UK with the Namaste England lens.
For me, it was like going home, Like my most influential years have been spent in the UK when I was 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And like that really made me the person that I was. So for me to go back on the same streets was insane. There was a
Basically,
section.
she went there and she said, "Bhare bazaar, baby.
Yeah, I was
Shooting
like,
pe jana aur shor mach jayega."
dude, I was shooting on roads that I used to do grocery shopping
Arre,
on.
arre,
Like that car chase that we did.
तुम्हारी वजह से
Baba.
मैं रास्ते पे आ गया.
Please stand by. We did a car chase scene, and those were the roads I used to be on every day as a student. And when I was working in Canary Wharf, like I used to work in the.
Would you
whatever.
say you were Road Riding Hood?
We shall just ignore that. But brother, you are in form today.
How should I cope with this?
I don't know. It's just coming. Bowling हो रही है
How
और मैं
can
free
I
hit पे
survive
से-
this?
So this is where you work. This is where you shop.
This
What
is
if
where
I
I used
start
to
singing
work.
लाल लाल होठों पे गोरी किसका
इसका mic
नाम
off कर
है ढंक चकंग अचकंग ढंक चकंग दिल में कौन रहता है किसका.
Why can't you keep going
You-
for 1
you do-
minute? It was like
She
the
felt
most.
like she
the
felt like
most-
Kajol in K3G when Mrs. Sprightly comes. You know?
Some lemon in it. Oh, you'll never get
Juti,
a chance.
juti.
You will now, Parineeti Chopra and Arjun Kapoor, you will now tell me about your first home. First home you bought or the first home you lived in?
I was in Chembur. My first home that I remember was a place called Maitri Park that's now been converted into building. The first home I bought, I live in a home that my mum had purchased. I just recently bought an apartment as an investment. So technically, that building is still coming.
And you're attached to the Maitri Park place. You think of it often.
I mean, it's जामा के गुलाब जामुन की बहुत याद आती है जो एकदम opposite था. RK Studios की याद आती है जब चल के जाते थे. RK House की याद आती है जब पे होली खेलने जाते थे. But visuals अभी थोड़े blur होने लग गए अभी उम्र के साथ.
Oh,
Emotion रह गया.
बुढ़ापा.
But I remember
old age.
I remember, नहीं तुम्हारे साथ 2 पिक्चर करके
ओल्ड एज होम के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं वो. कौन से ओल्ड एज होम?
What are Diwali plans? What are you doing this Diwali?
Oh,
to keep safe distance from.
But
I was
you're traveling
safe.
again to film, or you're going to be home?
I'm filming for India's Most Wanted, but in
And Anshula as well. She's well.
she's
God
better
bless.
now.
Yeah,
She's I
that's
need to
what-
speak to her, but she's better. She's getting better.
So Diwali is not home.
No, Diwali's home. I'm filming around it.
Yeah.
Diwali's home. The whole point now, I think, listen, as an actor or as anybody who's a professional, if you earn some kind of leeway of having schedules to be flexible, the 1 or 2 things as an Indian you crave to be around is during Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, Holi. These are the 3-4 times where actually people are in such a nice space that even your producers don't say, ठीक है यार 1-2 दिन अगर छुट्टी लेनी है तो ले भी लो.
last year you spent Diwali with me. So lucky.
इसीलिए मैंने इस साल रिक्वेस्ट किया. नहीं, पिछले साल दिवाली तुमने थिएटर में मनाई.
क्यों? वो
गोलमाल
गोलमाल
के
के साथ. पिछली रात उसके हम लोग पार्टी कर रहे थे बाबा.
हाँ, पर वो मेरा मतलब अनफॉर्चुनेट था कि उसके बाद जाके फिल्म भी देखनी पड़ी. तो डबल डोज एंड देन 2 फिल्म्स.
So lucky.
Okay, your first home and how's Diwali? Those are
My
the last
first
two
home is Ambala. Everybody knows that. I've grown up there, but I genuinely find Bombay to be my home now. I recently bought a house, and all is well. Diwali is going to be.
You bought a house in Bombay?
Yes, I got a house. You know that.
Nice.
I got a house. I've got 2 houses.
No, you recently bought another one.
Yeah, I got 2
अच्छा
houses.
खरीदते इधर लेफ्ट में चला. ओ ले लो. ओ राइट. वाओ.
Shut
जैसे
up.
गोपी
And
किशन
you have-
में था,
you have
मेरे-
plants, you have
गोपी
plants
किशन में there was a
outside,
line
you
ना,
have
मेरे
plants.
2 बाप, मेरे 2 बाप. Now she goes every
मेरे
day
2
and she says मेरे 2 घर, मेरे 2 घर.
No, the one you
He's
live
so
in. Where are the
irritating.
plants?
Where are the? See this.
Because I'm
man.
going to give you plants. So where are the plants? Are they outside?
So sweet. Yes, it's totally outside. I cannot. I've grown up in a 5-acre house where there was a forest around my house. So I'm used to greenery. I'm used to a lot of sunshine in the house. So exactly right now also
See.
I have a lot of balcony and greenery and a lot of plants. So give me. What do you have for me?
I am going to give it to you before. I
Yay,
enjoy it.
thank you.
And Diwali, where's it going to be?
Diwali is going to be a safe and prosperous Diwali because I'm not meeting Arjun that day. So it's going to be very safe, healthy, happiness forever.
Is it cards? Is it cards or food?
You
or
know, I've recently started playing cards and I'm loving it. I just learned poker like 5 days ago, literally, just like got good at Teen Pati. So this year I'm going to play cards. That's the plan.
I love you guys.
Thank you,
Arjun
Rishi.
Kapoor, bye-bye. Thank you for the
Arjun-
one-liners. Thank you, Pari.
No, she was saying some
He's so
important
irritating.
things. I was like, I don't have time.